And thanks for coming to my videos a lot during this hard times. So anyway, as for now, I also have a lot of uploads coming up before you. So let's get started to the experiment. As you can see for this experiment, it's a bit complicated and has so many things to go with. So as you can see, look here. We need paper towels. We need these food coloring and 8 cups and water. I'm gonna pour this into each of these 8 cups, which is water. We already poured the water, as you can see. Now it's time to add the pink color to the pink. Yeah. So as you can see, between each of the colors that I filled with food coloring are 4 cups with empty glasses. And as you can see, between each of the colors that I filled with food coloring are 4 cups with empty glasses. So here's the plan. So as you can see, these pieces of paper towel are folded. Now I'm just gonna bend them, and for each cup, and there's gonna be 2 for each cup. So let's get to it. Oh my. What? So as you can see, it transferred like a lot. A lot of them transferred. Well, why did this happen? And this is also partially because of the fibers inside the paper towels. The paper towels have very small holes in their fibers, which makes them absorb. This is also the same thing of capillary tubes. And that's why this looks like walking water, because of that process. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button and click my notification bells. Thanks for always honoring my videos.